Hello, Mas Bro. Welcome back to my channel. August Summit 369 all in one channel. This time I'm gonna take a closer look at the word that have a almost similar meaning, but it's used in a different context that you can use in real life. That sounds more like a native English speaker. Are you ready? Well then, let's jump right in. A basic word adu in bahasa can be changed into several forms, such as beradu, mengadu, pengaduan, mengadukan, and many other forms. Okay, now first word that I'm gonna take is beradu. Okay, let's take a look at this. To collide head-on. When two objects move and crash into one another, they hit each other with their front part toward each other. You can also say in bahasa adu banteng. The two car collided head-on. Kedua mobil itu beradu. And number two is to slam. Slam in meaning of membentur, menabrak, membanting. To crash into something with a great force, such as in my car slammed into a gate. Mobil saya menabrak pintu gerbang. Wow, can be a massive damage. Another word you can also use slam in my car slam into a gate. Mobil saya menabrak pintu gerbang. And also you can use a shut or close a door with a great force. You can also say he slammed the front door. Dia membanting pintu depan. Number three, to smash. To smash means to move something very fast and with a great force against something solid. Such as in a truck smashed into a telephone pole. A truck smashed into a telephone pole. Truk itu menabrak tiang telepon. Number four, you can also use to crash, to hit something. This word is commonly used to describe an accident in which a moving vehicle hits or damages or destroys something. Membentur or menabrak. Such as in the bus crashed into a tree. Bus itu menabrak sebatang pohon. Alright. Number five, to run. To run means to hit something accidentally. That means membentur, menabrak. Our bus ran into a bridge. Bis kami menabrak jembatan. Number six, to plow. Plow, P-L-O-W. Something plow into something else. Yeah, it goes out of control and crashes violently into something. Such as membentur, menabrak. Yeah, the plane plow into a new house. Pesawat itu menabrak rumah baru. Okay. Number seven, to bump. To hit something accidentally while you are moving or walking on the street means menabrak, membentur. I bumped it into a telephone pole because I didn't watch where I was going. When you're walking, you didn't watch anything. Maybe you're playing your handphone. I bumped into a telephone pole because I didn't watch where I was going. Saya menabrak tiang telepon karena tidak melihat jalan.
Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoy this lesson. I'll catch you next time again. Bye-bye.